Hi guys, I'm Kanchan and welcome back to my channel, The Glorious Mess. I'm back with yet another video. As you may have read the title, we are gonna do a random shopping haul. I mean, whenever I'm sad, I shop. Whenever I'm happy, I shop. Or whenever I feel bored, I shop. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, for every emotion I just go shop. That's problematic.
So yeah, I happen to have shopped like quite a lot these days, and I am here to share like my good purchase.
Yeah, so the purchases like I am proud of. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna share the things जो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी है, like quality wise and price wise. So you may like take them as suggestions if you wanna buy. So yeah, we're here to give you these suggestions, shopping suggestions. So I shopped from random sites and like Instagram pages also. Yeah, there are like two things from Instagram pages, and yeah, random apps like Flipkart, Meesho, Amazon. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video and see what I got. So starting the video with good fragrance, this is Secret Temptations body deodorant in pink. It's actually a new launch and I got it like after suggestion of my favorite YouTuber Mridul Sharma. So yeah, it's like fragrance of floral waves and like orange blossoms. It's good actually, a new deodorant of mine in the collection. Yeah, it smells really great, and it was just for 140 or something, 148 I guess. Yeah, not that like expensive, on expensive side. So yeah, all in all, it's a great deodorant, and it lasts for like 3 to 4 hours for me personally, and I cannot tell you about yours. Obviously it differs with every body type. So yeah, I kind of love it. It's from Amazon and you can check it out. It's a new launch in pink. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so next up we have these really very cool bucket hats again from Flipkart. Actually these are really very in trend these days, and I got like a pack of two, this white and black. Basic ones, pretty basics. Yeah, and they fits me great. These are very much in fashion these days. Wow, this looks cool, right? Okay, so I got this in a pack of two. Did that ruin my hair? I have not. Okay, so yeah, these were like a pack of two, white and black, pretty basics and versatile of course. These are very much in trend and I really wanted to go with this trend. So yeah, you will really very soon see some pictures with this bucket hat styling on my Instagram. In case you haven't followed me, link in the description box. Like two bucket hats for around 300 or something, 320 something I guess. So yeah, that makes only for like 160 or 165 rupee per hat, and I think that's great and it gives you such cool trendy look. Then why not? You can get your hands on this one. I'll provide the links in the description box, of course. Okay, so next up we have this cute, really very cute mini bag. This in sage color. It actually goes with my top right now. Okay, this is a cute mini bag from Shopper Stella Instagram page. I'll provide the link in the description, and it was for 500 something. It's actually quite a little smaller in size than I expected and than it was looking in the picture, but that's okay. It's really very cute and the very trendy cute color, and yeah, I'm gonna style it in some ways, you're gonna see. So yeah, I love this bag and they have really great collection like in many styles and like colors, varieties. So yeah, you can check that out. I love this one. Next up we have something from the app Meesho. Yeah, I've been shopping a lot from that app, and that app is really very great. I have this kurta in like ice blue color. Yeah, the color like seems to be a little darker on the camera. So yeah, it looks really very pretty, very pretty. It's pure cotton, 100% cotton, and made in India, of course. And yeah, I was gonna actually wear it for this video, but that's okay. इतनी गर्मी में कौन पहने. It has this green and white detailing, like क्या बोलते हैं इसको, कढ़ाई वाला detailing, and I love it. I've been like looking for this color in some clothes everywhere, and as soon as I saw this one, this blue color, I grabbed it. I grabbed my hands on this one. So yeah, it's really very pretty, and it was for around 323 something. Yeah, 323 it was. This was also available in sage green color, the color of our bag, in this color as well, and so many other colors, pink, beige, and whatnot. Yeah, so you can check that out. I'll mention the order number there because I cannot like put the link from there. That's how that app works. I've shopped like one more dress in sage green only, and I was waiting for that dress actually, but then this video was going to be delayed for so long. So yeah, we'll wait for that, and in case you want to check that dress out, do follow me on Instagram. Maybe I'll post it later. Yeah, in sage green that dress is, and I'm quite excited for that as well. I happen to have like shopped a lot from Meesho app as well, and okay, let's not talk much about that. I'm gonna make like a separate video on that. I've shopped quite a lot. Even my mother, she has shopped like quite a lot from that app, and that is great actually. Okay, leaving that aside. Next up, I got this really very versatile and very pretty set, which has this tika also, and yeah, earrings of course. So yeah, I got it from Flipkart or Amazon, I don't remember. I'll put it on screen of course, for around 250, which is really very great. You get this versatile set. This goes with everything, literally everything, and yeah, I love it. I actually initially got it for my mother, but yeah, that didn't fit her, or maybe she didn't like it, so she gave it back to me, and I'm really very happy with this one. It's like a choker style. You can wear it in choker style as well, and of course the mala style, whatever you call it. Yeah, it's really very versatile and really very pretty and elegant, and you can wear it with like western wear also, I suppose. Yeah. Next up, we have this really good purchase of mine from Street Style Stock Instagram page and website as well. Yeah, they have their website. Yeah, this is a store where you can find like great quality and really very trendy and like sexy shoes. Yeah, so I got these shoes by Street Style Stock in like 700 or 800 something, yeah, in that price, and it fits great. It is really very comfortable, and yeah, it is amazing. I really wanted to get some shoes in white for so long. Yeah, the white is really very versatile and great. You can pair it with anything, even with western wear and Indian wear of course. Yeah, so I love it. They are like slip-ons and fits great. And this one was around like Indian shoe size 5.5 something, which is really very hard to find. Like either you find 5 or or you find like 6 directly. You can't find 5.5 easily. But yeah, I got mine in that. You have to always check like in centimeters and everything. So yeah, that's how it works, and these are amazing, really very pretty. I love them. Okay, so next up I'm gonna talk about my great purchase, which is these neckband from the brand Boat, and these are amazing. I mean, with like one-time charging, it lasts for like 30 hours or something, and it really does. I've tried it and I've been using it for around like 1.5 months right now. and it works amazing, it works wonders. For like 10 minutes of charge, मतलब तुम 10 मिनट इसको चार्ज करोगे और 10 घंटे से भी ज़्यादा ये चल जाएगा. And I got these from Amazon, and it was like around 1500 something priced in that time, and you can check it out. It is available in more colors as well, like yellow and pink as well. So yeah, you can check it out. It's great, works wonders, and I think the best neckband I could find on internet. So yeah, you can try it out, and in that price obviously mentioning it out. One of my friends suggested this one, and I'm really very grateful to him for suggesting these. Yeah. So yeah, really very grateful. And yeah, obviously you can find the link in the description box in case you wanna buy it. Yeah, moving on to the next. Yeah, next up we actually don't have. Okay, next up I'm gonna talk about is a really cool zipper, which is in matte black color. I'll provide the video here on the screen. Yeah, so I actually gifted this to one of my friend. It was his birthday, and yeah, it is in matte black, and inside it is like stainless steel. That's what you call it, right? And it has like 2 lids and 1 steel straw, and it is amazing. I mean, I was searching for a good zipper for like boys, and I like came across to one from Starbucks, which was in matte black and something like that, but it was too expensive. It was for around 1000 or something, and then I got like a same copy of that in much lower price. So yeah, this cool zipper in matte black and stainless steel inside, and 2 lids and 1 steel straw, which you can use with anything else also. It was priced at just 300 or something. Yeah, 320 or 330 it was, and it's really great. I find it like really very cool and classy. I mean, matte black it is, and I just loved it as soon as I saw it. And it was same as that Starbucks one, like one is for 1000 above and one is for 300 something. Obviously you will go for that only. So yeah, it was amazing. I sent him that one, and he seemed to be so happy with that. So yeah, I think that's a good purchase as per him as well. So yeah, you can go for it in case your friend's birthday is coming or something like that. And even for yourself, like in summers we really need some cute jars, cute bottles and cute zippers to sip on like extra bit of that water which our body really needs. Yeah, so you should go for it. Link is obviously in the description box. It was from Amazon or Flipkart, I'm confused. I'll put it on the screen obviously. So yeah, that is it with the video. I think we have come to an end of this video. We have covered everything from the list. Yeah, so yeah, we have come to an end of this video, and shopping is a therapy. You should try it. At least it works with me, for me. Yeah, so you should try it. Maybe it works for you as well. Yeah, shop more for every emotion, everything. You deserve to shop, man. I think now your parents as well are gonna kill me. Okay, so that is it with the video today, and I hope you really like it. I hope you really like all the suggestions I could give to you guys. Again, I'm clapping. Okay, hit the like button if you did really like the video, and comment down below which one was your favorite, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and share with all your friends and make them shop for you. Okay, so that is it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.